Good morning, everybody. UglaMani here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own sigils. It's really easy, I find. There are so many different ways that you can do it. I'm just going to show you today the way that is simplest for me. You just start by picking a powerful, positive affirmation. You set your intentions, you make your intentions clear, and then you begin by writing down your affirmation. For the demonstration I'll show you for today, this is what I'm using. I am a powerful creator, because I am. And it's a simple, affirmation, easy to do. First, you're going to take away your vowels and your duplicate letters. I'm just going to scratch them out. Okay, so I'm left with M, P, W, R, F, L, C, T. Okay, now you're going to take those letters and you're going to apply them. Well, you're going to create a table first. The glare of the lights kind of messing with it. There we go. So at the top you're going to put 1 through 9, and then underneath you're just going to fill in the letters, and then you're going to use that table to match up your letters that you have here to your corresponding numbers. So M is 4, P is 7, W 5, R is 9, F 6, L is 3, C is 3, T. And T is 2. We have 4, 7, 5, 9, 6, 3, 3, 2. Okay, now you're going to take those numbers and you're going to apply them to your circle here. I have my circle numbered 1 through 9 in order. You can put your numbers out of order, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's all up to you. But anyway, so we're going to take those numbers and we're just going to trace out our lines for our sigil. So also, you guys, if you've got duplicate numbers, you don't have to draw lines to that twice. And really, you don't have to connect the lines if you don't want to. It's all, in your, what you feel like is right. Do it intuitively. 6 to 3. And there you have it. Sigil. I have these sigil boards available for download. If y'all want one, just let me know. I will print and laminate them for you also, but that will cost you. Also, let me know. But yeah, that's it, you guys. It's really easy. It's really simple. You know, you got to put your magic behind it. You got to put your intuition behind it. Your, you know, all that good stuff. But, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I got to get to work, so I will see you guys later. Everybody have a blessed day. And thank you so much for joining me in this. I hope you learned something cool today. See you guys later. Bye.